short tutorial, and this is, I think, a mini project about the calculator. So today we're gonna learn about the operators, okay? How it would work and how can we make a logic for it, okay? Um, so for it, you just click on the operators button, and inside that, okay, before that, what we're gonna do is take two and double value, okay? What we're gonna do is double, okay, value 1 and value 2, 1, 2, okay? And also for the output too, okay? Third one also output, okay? And the fourth one is should be correct, in which we will store, I'll show you, we will use it in a switch statement for, okay, computer. So you can say operator, okay? I think operator is a keyword, I think. Yeah, it is a keyword, so I can't use it here. And just as for shorthand, just write an OP, okay? So now what we're gonna do is, okay, I think it's a plus sign here. So first of all, we will convert inside, or what is inside the level, okay? We should convert into double, okay? You can write an integer, but what if a user type in double value? I think it's a 1.5, 1.2. So what we're gonna do, and then after, okay? So it should be in form of double, okay? Now for the plus operator, what we do is, okay, first of all, convert the value, okay, value 1, okay, convert it into convert, okay, why I converting this, okay? In C sharp, whatever you write in the text box and the label, whatever in the form is, it is in the form of a string. If you want to make manipulations process or whatever your mathematical process, it should be converted into double integer, like this, okay? So that's why I'm converting it into double, okay? Something wrong with my IDE. I don't know, it's not doing me intelligence, okay? Convert into double what? Okay, I think our label name is, just forget that. Okay, let me see, LBC, okay, just gonna get fine. Let's say text, okay, okay, I just okay, that's why it didn't give me interesting, that's right, spelling mistake. Okay, the another thing is that if after that he put in a value and then he wants to make in a plus sign, okay? So what we're gonna do after plus sign, it should be then the level or should be empty, okay? After that you will put in another value, okay? So how can we do that? We just say label dot text, label dot text word, label dot text should be empty then, okay? After that is operator, okay, operator sign will come here, op is equal to what, okay, it should be the plus sign. Yeah, I think it's a little bit a tricky logic here, so try to understand this thing, okay? First I convert the first value, use the enter, okay, this one that things, okay? Now when you press 1, okay, and then so this is the first value, okay, so this is the first value. It is in the form of a string. I convert it into double value, okay. Now when I press plus, it's been higher. Now it's waiting for the second value. What we're gonna do for that, we're gonna use it in the letter, okay. Now what to do here is same things, okay, same process and same code, okay. We're gonna use for minus sign, okay, and just make it sure it's minus, and for multiplication sign, make it sure it should be static here. Yep, static. Okay, and make sure also for the division. So one thing we I think forget, that is the dot sign. Dot. Okay, the dot. We didn't use a dot. Instead of double zero, we use a dot thing. Okay, so let's say it should be dot. Okay, it should be dot. Now what we can do for this, the same thing we did in the last video, okay. If shit man, and lbl let's see dot text is equal to 0, yep, 0. So what we can do is just the label text, and let's copy this thing here and paste it or dot here. Are you getting my point or not? So this is it for it, and else if it is not 0, so what we can do is for inside the text and the label text, we're gonna use it and make it, okay, paste it, and again copy this thing here and paste it here and make sure this is done for it. I'll just print it in how it works, okay. Okay, now look at that thing, okay, 1.8. This is it for it. Plus, so it will be in a second value. Now this is 65. This is the second value, okay. Now okay, the last thing we miss it also is equal to sign. We didn't like that, okay. So what we can do is also use okay, so where should I use, I think, font. user should see it clear thing. Okay, okay, it should be 20. Okay, what about 30? Okay, nice, very good. Let's make it 25. 20. Yeah, yes, that's good. Okay, now what we're gonna do is it is making also show a border. Okay, use it one. Okay, and the border color should be like this one. System control. Yeah. So this is something looking awesome. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Okay, go ahead and place it there. Okay. It should be double zero. Then okay, so for this tutorial, I think it's enough for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Next tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will work on the equal to sign and also on the double zero. Okay, so see you guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.